So the next solutions to first order ordinary differential equations that we will discuss will be linear differential equations. Okay, so linear differential equations comes in two forms. It can be linear in y or linear in x, depending on how we can rearrange the given differential equation. So your starting from your standard form of our differential equation, so we have m of xy dx plus n of x and y dy is equal to 0. If we rearrange it, isolating dy over dx or dx over dy, let's say you were able to isolate dy over dx. Tapos you can separate the rest with a single y, and then uh, fa- the rest is functions of x. Then we can say it's linear in y. But if not possible, we can switch. No, we can separate dx over dy, and then um, we can factor out x. Tapos the rest are functions of y. Then it's linear in y. No, so the solution will be, if it's linear in y, the solution is y times the integrating factor, and it's equal to the integration of your integrating factor times q, which is a function of x dx plus c. Okay, and where the integrating factor is e raised to the integral of um, p of x dx. Okay? Pag naman linear in x, so you have to change this as x. Okay? And na-separate natin yung dx over dy, and then factoring out x, then you're left with p sub y or p function of y and then q function of y. Ang magiging solution is x times the integrating factor, then equal to the integration of the product of the integrating factor and q of y dy plus c, where your integrating factor naman would be still the function of p, okay, p is function of y dy. Okay, so it's better if we try this with examples so we can further um, illustrate the linear differential equations. Okay, so we start with the first example. 2 times y minus 4x squared dx plus x dy is equal to 0. So we will try to rearrange this. Okay? And what you can do first is to distribute muna. No? Yung 2, so magiging 2y minus 8x squared quantity dx plus x dy is equal to 0. Okay? And then, we can try to divide both sides by try to divide both sides by dx. So that gives us 2y minus 8x squared plus x dy over dx, okay, is equal to 0. Okay. And then rearrange lang natin. Pwede na nating tanggalin yung parentheses actually. So that's much the same thing. And then ilipat na natin si 8x sa kabila. So that becomes 2y plus x dy over dx is equal to 8x squared. Then divide both sides by x. So that gives us 2y over x plus dy over dx is equal to 8x. So if we notice, this can be rewritten, the first term can be written as 2 over x, y. So, it's linear in y. No? And then, we have your, so, di ba yung form natin, dy over dx, then you have your p of x as 2 over x, and then your q of x is 8x. Then we proceed with the solution. So, if it's linear in y, it's y times if is equal to the integral of if times q of x dx plus c. And then, we need to get the integrating factor. The integrating factor is e raised to the integral of p of x dx. So, kunin lang natin yung integral ng substituting integral of 2 over x dx. So, we can put 2 out, maging integral of 1 over x dx. And alam natin that the integral of 1 over x is just simply ln of x. So, magiging 2 ln of x. And then, sorry, e pa pala. Then we can put 2 as an exponent of x. So, magiging e raised to ln of x squared. Decomposing your ln using the e. So, you have your integrating factor as x squared. We now multiply x squared into the solution. So, you have y times x squared is equal to the integral of x squared times u sub x is 8x dx plus c. Okay? So when we integrate 8x, this becomes 8x squared. So x squared y is equal to integral of 8x cubed dx plus c. We can put 8 out and then integrate x cubed. Can you see your power formula? Okay, so this becomes x raised to 4 all over 4. So magiging, let's just write it down. X squared y is equal to 8. Then it's x raised to 4 over 4 dx plus c. Then canceling out 4 here, magiging 2 na lang. So magiging x squared y is equal to 2x raised to 4 plus c. Okay. Then we can just put all of the x's in just one side. We can divide both sides by x squared. This turns to y is equal to 2x squared plus c x raised to negative 2. This is your general solution.